Good morning students and welcome back to the second unit term syllabus. Today I will explain you Act 2 Scene 4. Before we start the scene, let me explain you which characters will be there in this particular scene. Number one is Lorenzo, Selenio, Graciano, Lancelot and Celerino. So these are the main characters which will play in this scene. Now this scene takes place in Venice Street. Now here the conversation goes between, as already I told you, Lorenzo is there, Graciano, Celerino, Selenio. Now conversation is going between the Lorenzo and Graciano. Lorenzo says, we will sleep at the supper time. This means dinner. Yeah, light evening meal you can say. So we will meet there and disguise ourselves. Disguise, what is the meaning of disguise? Disguise means it is the act of concealing the identity of something by putting a mask. Mask I will show you. Okay, that I will show you later. So disguise means to hide your identity. Next, they said that we will meet at the house after within 1 hour. Graciano says, okay, we have not made the good arrangement for that party in which we are going to disguise ourselves, in which we will change our identity so that other person should not know us, who we are. Celerino says, we have not yet spoken about the torch bearer. Who is the torch bearer? Torch bearer is the person who leads the team, other team. So, Selenio says it is a useless thing unless it is done properly. Unless we arrange the party properly, it is useless. Lorenzo says it is already 4 o'clock, then we have got only 2 hours to prepare for the party. And same time, when they were talking about all these things, Lancelot, another character, enters here with a letter. Now Lorenzo is asking to Lancelot what is written in this letter. Lancelot says, if you open this letter you will come to know. Lorenzo says, I recognize the handwriting. Indeed means sure, it was written by the fair hand which is whiter than the paper it wrote on. So his hands are more fairer than the whiteness of the page. Graciano understood that it may be the love letter. Lancelot says, may I leave, sir? Now I have given you the letter. Lorenzo says, where are you going now? Lancelot said, by blessed Mary, sir, I am going to invite my previous master, Shylock Jew, for the dinner tonight with my new master, Graciano. Lancelot, wait a little and take this and tell Jessica that I will not let her down. Okay, what promise I have done with Jessica, I will complete. Give her the message secretly, don't tell openly. Gentlemen, will you prepare for the mask? Tonight I have arranged for the torch bearer. Now who is the torch bearer here? Jessica. This is the question also. Who is the torch bearer in this scene? So Jessica is the torch bearer who will lead the other person. Now mask. Now let me tell you about the mask. You can see this mask. This is the mask of the rabbit. Number of masks are there of the different shapes you can say. And what is the main purpose? When there is party, maybe birthday party, some other party, you put the mask to hide yourself, hide your face, and also to enjoy the party. So then they started for this one, and yes, indeed, I will go and make all the preparations at once. Celine said, okay, I am ready, I will go for the party. Lorenzo said, meet me at Gracinio's house in half an hour. After half an hour, you meet over there, then we'll discuss what to do. Celine says, it is good that we do so. And both Salerino and Selenio, they move away from there. Now Gracinio says, wasn't that letter from the lovely Jessica? That letter is of Jessica. Lorenzo says, I must tell you everything about it. She has given the instructions about how I should arrange for her escape from the father's house. She has told me about the amount of the gold, jewels, and she can bring with her. Even she has told about the page boy uniform. Page boy uniform means the dress of a boy, in which she has prepared, and if the Jew, her father, ever goes to heaven, then it will be only because of her, of his gentle daughter Jessica, because she has not done wrong deeds in her life. May misfortune never come to her unless under the excuse of being the daughter of the non-believing Jew. So she should not suffer due to his non-believing father Shylock. Come with me, read the letter as you go, and the fair Jessica shall be my torchbearer. She will lead me. And then Lorenzo move away from there. Thanks.